These pair of gloves are a set of 48 pairs of gloves that have been sent to me for review, and I really like them. So these 48 pairs of gardening gloves come 24 pairs in a solid red color with the black rubber palms on them, and then another 24 pairs in the solid black with the black rubber palms on them. So altogether you're getting 48 pairs. So I didn't pull all of them out of the bag. I pulled out all the red ones and counted them, and sure enough there were actually 24 pairs of the solid red gloves with the black rubber palms. So I didn't count all the solid black ones, but anyway, these are really nice. I'm looking forward to using them. So these are the size medium of the gloves, and you can see I have fairly small hands, but there's plenty of room in these gloves for someone with much larger hands than I have. So these are going to keep your hands really protected from thorns and debris that might injure your fingers. So these are really nice. They're very high quality, they're very stretchy, so I know they're going to stay nicely on my hands to protect them from thorns and thistles and from just the general calluses that you get from working outside in the yard. Since you're getting 48 pairs of gloves, these are going to last you a very long time, or they can be for a crew. So say you're having over some people to help do a cleanup on a yard or a volunteer group, you're going to have plenty of gloves to go around. And these can also be washed, so they're going to last you a long time.